A lot of times there's cases where you want to take a screenshot to be able to see what's going on the screen and then send it off to somebody. But in other cases, there's times when you want to be able to take a whole series of shots without necessarily making a whole video over it. You just want to capture a few steps that you're doing so that you can take that and send it off to someone or edit those things to be able to make a document about it. That's what I'm going to cover today. An easy way to capture a set of screenshots all in one easy step. So our goal with today is that we want to capture a whole set of screenshots, a set of things or actions that we're doing on the screen, have it all in one document and be able to send it all in one shot to somebody. Windows 10 has this really cool feature that's not talked about very often called Steps Recorder, and that's exactly what it does. Now, it was originally built for helping people troubleshoot problems that they have on their computer. The side benefit, and what I want to show you, is you can use it as just a step-by-step way to create a how-to document, even if you want to, step-by-step taking screenshots as you go. So let's get started. Windows 10, I'm going to go to the Start button down here at the bottom, and I am going to type in steps. Very first thing that shows up at the top here is Steps Recorder, so I'm going to click on that. And very simple. Start record and stop record. I want to start. So I'm going to go ahead and start recording. This is not recording audio. It's not recording video. What it's doing is taking a snapshot as I work on my screen each time something changes. So I'm here on the Google website. I clicked over there, just kind of in the middle of nowhere. We'll see that show up. I'm going to click on the search bar and I'm going to type test search here and then hit enter. So here I'm brought with some Google search results. I'll click on the first page that comes up. You'll notice that when I'm clicking, a little red button pops there. That means it's actually recording that action as I take it. When I type, it's not recording the typing, it's going to record the typing at the next thing that I hit. So if it's a return key or if I click a button, it's going to record that picture. So I've done a few things here. I could pause this. I could add comments as I go, so it would add a comment underneath each image if I wanted to do that. But right now I'm going to stop record because I want to show you guys what this looks like. So this brings up my document and it has some information at the top. We're going to probably just delete the first set of information up here at the top. But I can now see here are all of my screenshots as I go. And I can see I typed some things and then it brought me to the research page and it just goes right on down the page. So I want to save this document and I can save it as a zip file. So I'm going to save this as test right on my desktop and it is saved out there now. I'm going to close this window. Now I've got this test document out here that I can work with. When I open this zip file, I have a recording. It's an MHTML document. If you've never worked with that before, it's a modified web document essentially. But it is something that if you have Office on your computer, you can open it right in Word. So I double clicked on it and you can see Word is one of my options. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to open this file and now I can edit the text in here and I can do whatever I want to with it just like it is a traditional Word document. And if I want just the pictures out of it, I could easily do that and add my own text of, step 1, I want to click on these 3 things. Step 2, I want to make sure I enter this text. I can go through and do all of that and save it back as a Word doc or as a PDF file, whatever format I want to have it in. I export it back out or save it back out and then I'm done. So that's how I can take a set of actions, save those as screenshots without having to do a big convoluted video, all built into Windows 10 right here on my machine. All right, thanks for watching today. If you got anything useful out of this, I'd love it if you would like this video. Just hit that thumbs up button down there at the bottom. Subscribe to my channel so you can get any future videos as they come out. And don't forget to leave a comment if there's any future video that you'd like to see me do. Thanks for watching today. I appreciate it.
And we're good all over here.
And we're good.